This video is going to be on the Ceado E6P digital display. It was hard for me to find a little bit of information. I'll show you what I found. Counterclockwise for finer adjustment. Back towards 0 for coarser. You can see the increments. And it's hard to tell, but that's the indicator where it's set at. So if you count up, it's 10. The factory display is a single dose is 6 seconds and 12 seconds. And the amount of grams coming out depends, of course, if it's fine or coarse. It's usually about 1.5 to 2 is a rough estimate. If I just hit 1, it's going to go for 6 seconds. I use a Rocket Amera bottomless portafilter, and it's nice and easy. It just clips right in. You can do a manual grind by hitting both the cup, single dose and double dose at the same time. You can see the start. How long I want to do it, hit stop. I'm going to keep on doing it. Back. Also, if you want to adjust your grind time for either one of them, you hit the first button here, time, single dose. You go up or down. Right now I'm going down. I'll take it to 3 seconds. And after 3 seconds, I'll time out and bring it back. It said checked. Now you can see the single dose is 3 seconds. I'm going to change it back to 6. And then I'll do the same thing for double dose. Time, hit that button, and I'll increase to 14. I could do for 14.1. After 3 seconds, I'll time out and go back. There you can see I increased the time for the double dose. I'm going to change it back to 12. It's quite fast once it gets going. Oh. And 3 seconds, I'll time out and go back. And I do use that bottomless portafilter. There was a little bit of coffee in there. It clips in. Hold it, don't have to touch it. It puts it right in the middle. Nothing you have to do, it stays in, and it's easy to use. I hope this helps.